Hello Smy, it's Melissa here, and today we're going to use wood from an elder tree to make an elder bead necklace. So to make an elder bead necklace you're going to need some secateurs, some wood, an elder stick, and if you want some colourful beads, some felt tip pens too. And if you can't find elder, you can use pasta. So later on in the spring, the elder trees will have lovely white flowers, and then in the autumn, they'll have lovely purple berries. But at the moment, they're just getting really green. So elder tree leaves have slightly jagged edges, and usually 5 little leaflets, so 5 little leaves coming from the same stem, 2 or 3 pairs. And if you have a close look, you can also see where the flowers are starting to grow. Have a close look at the branch, it's really distinctive as it's really knobbly and kind of spotty. And the tree trunk has quite a corky, wrinkled bark, a bit how you'd imagine an alligator skin. So I found my elder stick by looking under the tree and seeing if any of the branches had come off in the wind. If you can't find any and you do need to take some, find a branch with no leaves on and cut it quite near to the bottom of the branch with secateurs. This way it won't damage the tree. And you're using a dead bit then too. So, next you're going to have to put on a glove for the hand that's going to be holding the stick. Cut off any side branches or twigs with secateurs. Then just use the secateurs to cut the stick into small pieces. So the elder tree, there's quite a lot of folklore surrounding the elder tree. Elder trees were planted to ward off evil, and it was said to be bad luck to cut them down. So elderwood is really cool because the pith, the middle bit inside the branches, so soft that you can just push it out. So if you take a thinner straight stick or a small paintbrush handle and make sure that you have your finger and thumb on each side of the bead so that you don't spike your hand, the pith just comes out. Okay, presto, you've got elder beads. So before you make your necklace, you can have a bit of fun playing around and making different shapes with them. You can leave them natural, or if you want to make them a bit more colourful, you could write letters on them, you could write your name on them. Or you could just colour them in. got them how you want them, you're going to need to thread them onto your wool. So again, use your little pokey stick or the end of your paintbrush to push the wool through each one of your beads. Off the wool, tie the ends together, and you've made a necklace. See you next time.